Have you ever wondered if a robot will be doing your job in the next 10 years? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but with the rapid rise of artificial intelligence, it's a question on everyone's mind. Today, we're diving deep into the future of work. We'll explore which jobs are most at risk, which ones are surprisingly safe, and most importantly, how you can prepare for this massive shift. This isn't about fearmongering. It's about being informed and empowered. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's unpack what AI really means for your career. First, let's get one thing straight. AI isn't a new concept. It's been developing for decades. But what's changed is its accessibility and power. Think about the apps on your phone, the recommendations you get on streaming services, or the chatbots that answer your customer service questions. AI is already woven into the fabric of our daily lives. The real turning point is generative AI, like the models that can write articles, create stunning images, or even compose music. This new wave is what's causing all the buzz and, frankly, a bit of anxiety about job security. The question is no longer asterisk if asterisk AI will impact the job market, but asterisk how asterisk and asterisk how soon asterisk. So, which jobs are on the chopping block? Let's start with the most obvious category. Jobs that involve repetitive, data-driven tasks. Think about data entry clerks, telemarketers, or certain types of analysts. For years, these roles have been about processing large amounts of information according to a set of rules. AI is tailor-made for this. It can sift through millions of data points in seconds without getting tired or making human errors. It can identify patterns, sort information, and generate reports far more efficiently than any person. This doesn't mean everyone in these fields will be out of a job tomorrow, but the nature of their work is fundamentally changing. Instead of manual data entry, the job might become about overseeing the AI, verifying its output, and interpreting the complex results it generates. Another major area set for disruption is customer service. We've all interacted with chatbots, and let's be honest, the early versions were frustrating, but they're getting smarter fast. Modern AI-powered customer service agents can handle a huge range of queries, access customer history instantly. Let's talk about a sector many thought was immune. The creative industries. For a long time, we believed that creativity, art, and writing were exclusively human domains. Well, generative AI has thrown a wrench in that idea. AI can now write articles, generate marketing copy, design logos, and even create This is a huge concern for graphic designers, copywriters, and content creators. Does this mean these jobs will disappear? Not necessarily. But it does mean the bar is being raised. A designer who just knows how to use software might struggle, but a designer who can use AI as a tool to brainstorm, create mock-ups faster, and then apply their unique artistic vision and strategic thinking will be more valuable than ever. The role is shifting from a pure creator to a creative director, guiding the AI to produce the desired outcome. Now, what about transportation? Self-driving technology has been just around the corner for what feels like forever. While fully autonomous cars for everyone are still a ways off, the impact on professional driving is much closer. Trucking, for instance, is a massive industry, and long-haul routes on highways are the perfect environment for autonomous vehicles. They don't need brakes, they don't get distracted, and they can optimize for fuel efficiency. This could lead to a significant reduction in the need for long-haul truck drivers. Similarly, delivery services and taxi companies are heavily investing in autonomous vehicle technology. This transition will be gradual and face regulatory hurdles, but it's a clear direction of travel. The jobs of millions of drivers will likely be transformed over the next couple of decades. So, it all sounds a bit daunting, right? Don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. For every job AI threatens, it also creates new opportunities and makes other jobs safer. Let's pivot and talk about the jobs that AI asterisk can't asterisk easily replace. At the top of this list are roles that require deep human connection, empathy, and care. Think about nurses, therapists, teachers, and social workers. Can an AI diagnose a condition based on symptoms? Sure. But can it hold a patient's hand and offer genuine comfort? Can it inspire a classroom of students with passion and understanding? Can it navigate the complex, nuanced world of human emotions and relationships? Not yet. And maybe never. These jobs are fundamentally about human-to-human interaction, and that's our unique advantage. Another safe zone is jobs that require complex problem solving in unpredictable environments. Plumbers, electricians, and specialized repair technicians fall into this category. Every house is different. Every problem is unique. A robot might struggle to diagnose a strange leak behind a wall that requires intuition, experience, and physical dexterity to fix. These skilled trades demand a combination of hands-on, skill, critical thinking, and adaptability that is incredibly difficult to automate. So, while we might have AI designing the blueprints, we'll still need skilled humans to do the actual building, wiring, and fixing for a very long time. This is a crucial area to consider for anyone looking at career paths. And of course, there are the jobs that will be created asterisk by asterisk AI. This is the most exciting part. We're already seeing a massive demand for AI specialists, machine learning engineers, data scientists, and AI. These are the people who build, train, and maintain the AI systems. But it goes beyond just the tech roles. We will need AI trainers who teach AI models the nuances of language and context. We'll need AI auditors who check for bias and ensure fairness. We, LL, need prompt engineers who are experts at communicating with AI to get the best results. These are jobs that didn't even exist a few years ago. Just as the internet created roles like social media manager and SEO specialist, AI will give birth to a whole new ecosystem of careers we can't even imagine yet. So, what does all this mean for you right now? How can you future-proof your career? The single most important skill is adaptability and a commitment to lifelong learning. The idea of learning one skill and doing that same job for 40 years is over. You need to cultivate a growth mindset. Firstly, focus on developing your uniquely human skills: critical thinking, creativity, communication, and emotional intelligence. These are the skills that AI struggles to replicate. Secondly, become tech literate. No matter your field, you don't need to become a programmer, but you should understand how AI works and how it can be used as a tool in your profession. Learn to collaborate with AI, not compete against it. See it as an assistant that can handle the boring, repetitive parts of your job, freeing you up to focus on the more strategic and creative aspects. Think of it this way. The invention of the calculator didn't eliminate mathematicians. It just allowed them to solve much more complex problems much faster. The invention of the word processor didn't eliminate writers. It made editing and rewriting infinitely easier. AI is the next powerful tool in that lineage. The future belongs to those who learn how to wield this tool effectively. Start experimenting with AI platforms. Ask it to help you brainstorm ideas, summarize a long article, or even draft an email. The more comfortable you become with the technology, the less intimidating it will seem, and the more you'll see its potential to enhance your work. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans asterisk with asterisk machines. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the future of work. I hope this has given you a clearer picture of the changes ahead and, more importantly, a sense of empowerment. The future isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we can actively shape and prepare for. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on navigating our rapidly changing world. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Which jobs do you think are safest or most at risk? Let's continue the conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see ya in the next one.